Hi, I'm Tommy, the writer of the book of the Explorational Journeys and the Self-Help Guide Part 1. We have finally finished our Chapter 2 topic, which is I Realized I Was Enough. We did a lot of different activities and connections through this chapter, and my closing thoughts is realizing that you are enough is a powerful act of self-liberation. It's not about perfection or meeting others' expectations. It's about embracing the unique, authentic person you are. Through self-compassion, reflection, and connection, you can nurture your self-worth and find the courage to live authentically. Remember, you are already enough, just the way you are. And it is true. We both are. We're letting the power and connection of all of us help us through this journey together. So well done to everyone. I hope to see you all for the next chapter, which is I have the resources within to succeed. Hope to see you all soon. Don't forget to click like and subscribe at the bottom. See you soon.